Get into the 2017 Ford Edge. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This stylish, versatile Edge delivers comfort, confidence, and capability. Its spacious, refined cabin, smart tech, sophisticated style, and many convenience features make it ideal for everything from the daily commute to epic family road trips. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of the Edge. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.